spring and summer here in Savannah is coming full blast all the way, y'all. And there's a couple of things that we like to do when the weather starts turning warm and we've got a rocking chair and we've got a porch to sit on. We love to sit and rock and have our lemonade. And for those that want to make it an adult beverage, you can very easily you'd add vodka, wouldn't you, Eddie?
Yeah.
Not gin.
But do either.
Either one, or. Yeah. So this is a great picture of a delicious lemonade to have in your refrigerator. And caution, it's very, very sweet. So this is actually a vanilla lemonade. So we're going to start. Oh gosh, does that ever smell good? Between this, the mint and the lime. Oh, it's delicious. All right, so what we want to do is, I'm cutting that in half so I can have better control over it, y'all. But what we're doing is splitting our bean down the center. Just like that. I'm just working to get it open a little bit better. And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to scrape down that vanilla bean. That's where the flavor comes from, y'all. So that is going in our pot. Because we have a lot of sugar that we've got to melt. All right, so it calls for 1 vanilla bean. I'm going to get this. Yum. That goes in the pot. All right, now we've got 1 quart of water. And we are going to put in, we've got measuring cups, 2 cups, and 2 cups. So I'm putting the 1 cup in to cook our sugar and our vanilla. I'm going to add our sugar. And all those flavors are going to come together. And we have 3 cups, y'all, of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I highly, highly, highly recommend that you use fresh lemon juice. It just makes all the difference in the world, y'all. That artificial stuff that you buy in the grocery store, to me, it just tastes artificial. So it takes a while. I was planning on juicing that with my Uncle Bob's electric juicer. You know, it works like a charm. But Teresa says she did that all by hand. 3 cups of lemon juice.
And it's about 4 pounds of lemons.
4 pounds of lemons. Way to go, girl. She must have been bored last night.
I was watching.
Just squeezing. Well, you got your muscles going, don't you? So we're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. I've added my 2 cups of water to the pitcher. And now I'm adding my 3 cups of lemon juice. And when our sugar and vanilla cools off, I'm going to be adding that. We're going to be ready to have Kool-Aid. I mean, not Kool-Aid, lemonade. The best lemonade in town. With a little vanilla kick. it's ready to marry the two together now. I removed our vanilla beans. Wow. And to make a truly good lemonade, y'all, it must be sweet. It requires much more sugar than if you were making a pitcher of iced tea. You can see the tiny specks of vanilla. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Gonna put that lime down in there where it can soak up a little lime juice. It's time for me to go find the rocking chair, Eddie. You want to join me?
Yes.
Love and best drinks, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.